And now I request our chief guests to kindly step up on the stage. Before inviting the chief guests on the stage, let's invite on stage Mr. Sheikh Hanif as well. Mr. Sheikh Hanif, can we have you on the stage, please? Round of applause to welcome him, ladies and gentlemen, please. So now you'll have to clap a lot, because the awards are coming up. All right. Now to start with the chief guests. Firstly, His Highness Sheikh Sultan bin Khalid Muhammad Al Qasimi. I request His Highness to kindly come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome him with a big, big, thunderous round of applause, please. Next, I'd like to invite our chief guest, our Minister, Mr. Ramdas Athavale, Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment of India. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to welcome him also onto the stage. He has been a great support for our event as well. Thank you so much for being here, sir. Also requesting Mr. Vishesh Agarwal, ADG London, to kindly step up on the stage for the award ceremony. And now I'd like to invite our guest of honors, Sheikh Muhammad Sultan Khalid Muhammad Al Qasimi. Can we have you on the stage? And next is Mansoor Muhammad Hadi, Mr. Mansoor Muhammad Hadi. A big round of applause to welcome him, Mr. Mahmood Muhammad bin Thabit, Chief Advisor at the Government, Mr. Salim Juma Ghulam Ali Al Balushi, Mr. Muhammad Al Khaidbi, Rashid Al Khaidbi. Can we have you on the stage, please? Mr. Sultan Al Khaidbi, Mr. Abdu Allah Al Khaidbi, His Excellency Yaqub Al Ali, Mr. Omar Al Khaidbi, Salim Al Khaidbi, Salim Al Khaidbi, Maher Al Khaidbi, Abdu Allah Al Khaidbi, Mr. Muhammad Ali, Mr. Ibrahim Abdullah Ali Yusuf Amiri. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries onto the stage. I request you all to kindly go closer to each other. We'll have a picture before we start with the awards. We have the movie launch as well. That's what the surprise was about. I'm going to talk about it more. Let's give them some time to take the pictures clearly. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I request all the dignitaries to kindly come to the side of the stage, as we will be having a visual display on the screen, right? So we have a visual display. Please be on the stage because we're going to have the movie. Yeah, about the movie launch is going to be after some time. Right now, what we're going to have is the Indo-Arab Movie Awards. And this audio-visual is about that. Let's have a look. So, ladies and gentlemen, GMFL is proud to launch the Indo-Arab Film Awards in the year 2026, a groundbreaking platform uniting Indian and Arab cinema on one stage, celebrating creativity, talent, and storytelling. The awards honor outstanding filmmakers, actors, and industry leaders from both regions. Beyond a film celebration, it fosters cultural exchange and shared narratives, acknowledging works that inspire across borders. Ladies and gentlemen, a night of brilliance, glamour, and unforgettable artistry awaits all of you. Big round of applause for this new launch, which is the Indo-Arab Film Awards in 2026. Come on, everybody, show some excitement. A big round of applause, please. Sure, he is excited as well. All right, so of course we are all excited about the new set of awards we'll see in the year 2026. For now, thank you so much to all of our guest of honors who have joined us on the stage. I request the guest of honors to kindly be seated. I just want His Highness Sheikh Sultan bin Khalid Mohammad Al Qasimi to stay on the stage, and Mr. Ramdas Athavale to stay on the stage. I request the rest of all of our guests to be seated. I also request Mr. Vishesh Agarwal to stay back on the stage, and Mr. Tanveer. Thank you so much, requesting everybody else to kindly be seated. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we begin with the Indo-Arab Excellence Awards 2025. Like I had said yesterday, we have the Excellence Awards today. So to start with, we have our first awardee, Mr. M.K. Varghese. And the title for his award is Outstanding Civic Leadership Mayor category from Kerala, India. A big round of applause for Mr. M.K. Varghese. Ladies and gentlemen, please, come on. Big round of applause. Big congratulations, Mr. M.K. Varghese, for this well-deserved award. Outstanding Civic Leadership Mayor category, Kerala, India. Congratulations. I request you to kindly be seated. Thank you so much. Our next awardee, ladies and gentlemen, Ferrara Italia Global High Fashion Luxury Brand Award. Big round of applause for Ferrara Italia. Ladies and gentlemen, we already saw the magic that was there on the stage that Pankaj Soni had designed for them. And I'm sure that there's so much more to come. So big congratulations, bringing Italian fashion to UAE. Congratulations once again, Ferrara Italia Global High Fashion Luxury Brand Award. Thank you so much. I request you to be seated. We heard it from them before, so I'm not going to trouble them again. All right, moving on, we have our third awardee, Mr. Deepak Ravi. I request Mr. Deepak Ravi to kindly step up on the stage. We saw him yesterday over here with us. He was there for the first day of GMFL as well. Mr. Deepak Ravi, I'm sure he's here. He's Mr. Kannan Ravi's son, and Mr. Kannan Ravi Group of Companies, as all of you know, is our main support and partner for the event. All right, we're moving on. Next awardee, Dr. Mahapara Mehraj. I request Dr. Mahapara Mehraj to please come on the stage. From Skin Symphony Clinic, who's the CEO and founder. Oh my gosh, she's looking so gorgeous. For the award of Outstanding Woman Entrepreneur in Aesthetic Dermatology and Cosmetic Dentistry Award. Dr. Mahaparam Maharaj, founder and CEO of Skin Symphony Clinic, is honored tonight as the outstanding women entrepreneur in aesthetic dermatology and cosmetic dentistry, recognizing her vision, her leadership, and dedication to redefining beauty, confidence, and excellence in patient care. And they are also one of our main support sponsor and partner. Big round of applause for her, please. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Moving on, our next awardee, Mr. Vignesh Vijay Kumar Menon, the CEO and founder of Wealth Eye Group of Companies, receiving the award of Alliance of Excellence Award. Wealth Eye, ladies and gentlemen, again, our sponsor and partner for this event, GMFL Season 5. I'm sure Mr. Vignesh is here. Vicky, as we know him very lovingly. Do we have anybody on behalf of Mr. Vignesh, to receive the award? All right, we're going to move on. I think he's not here at the moment. Let's move on. Next, we have our awardee, Mr. Rahim Nizar Khetani from Axelogize. A big round of applause for him, please, ladies and gentlemen. Receiving the International Media and Marketing Visionary Award. Wow, sir, let's see that smile on your face. A big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, please. Axelogize is a global B2B marketing agency built on data science technology, omni-channel marketing, and intent intelligence platform, where we help our clients reach their precise target audience and put them in front of the potential buyers at every stage of buyer's journey and provide vital information and actionable insights across industries and regions. Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much for being here. I'm sure everybody wishes you well. They're just too tired to clap. I've been making them do a lot of work this evening. All right, moving on. Let's have our next awardee, Dr. Dugaraju Lakshmi Jyoti. Big round of applause for Dr. Dugaraju Lakshmi Jyoti on receiving the award for Healthcare Achiever of the Year, Dermatologist in India. Yes, there she comes. Ladies and gentlemen, you know all the awardees coming on the stage. I need you to applaud for them. Can you all please applaud for them? Thank you. I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm myself handicapped. I could not come. She is skilled at treatment of fungal infections and psoriasis, and she has a team of Club Medical Hair and Skin Clinic, which is skilled at treating psoriasis and fungal infections, a chronic condition that affects millions, and they work closely with patients to manage the symptoms and improve the quality of life. Once again, a big, big congratulations. You know, at this time, the hall should be full of thundering round of applause. All of it is too tired. Can you all do that for me, please? And for the awardee. All right, moving on, we have our next awardee, Dr. Dugaraju Karthika. Let's have Dr. Dugaraju Karthika on the stage to receive the next award, which is Excellence in Gynecology and IVF. Ladies and gentlemen, lovely lady, woman power. Round of applause, please. Dr. Karthika is a dedicated IVF fertility specialist, gynecologist, and a high-risk obstetrician with over 5 years of experience in helping couples achieve their dream of parenthood. A big, big congratulations. Very well deserved. Next awardee, Dr. Monish Day. Dr. Monish Day receiving the award for Most Trusted Oncologist. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please. Okay, so if we are not able to fill the hall with thunderous round of applause, can we have a nice loud music to make them feel special, please? Everybody? Yeah, all right. Now you can clap along with that so you're motivated as well. Dr. Monish Day is a medical oncologist, Tata Cancer Hospital, specializes in chemotherapy, immunotherapy, and targeted therapy. Big congratulations. Very well deserved. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Next awardee, Mr. Amit Kumar Yadav. Let's welcome Mr. Amit Kumar Yadav onto the stage for the award of Most Promising Fund Manager of the Year, Indo-Arab Excellence Award 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, big round of applause. Music goes louder now. As a professional fund manager with over 12 years of experience in financial markets, specializing in gold trading. Since 2012, he has been consistently delivering strong returns, generating 25 to 40% of annual profit for the clients. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much for being part of the Indo-Arab Excellence Award. Our next awardee, Mr. Ramakrishnan Mathiyalagan, the CEO and founder of the most beloved Aryas. I know everybody loves food at Aryas. And the award he's being presented with is the Flavor of the Year Award. He may not be here at the moment, so we're going to move forward. Maybe we'll have a representative much later on to receive the award. All right, our next awardee, Mr. Roop Chander, Relius Real Estate CEO and founder. Big round of applause. Can we have a big round of applause, please, to welcome him on the stage, receiving the Real Estate Icon Award. Congratulations, Dr. Roop Chander Krishnamurthy, the founder and managing director at Relius Real Estate in Dubai. He's highly qualified and he's definitely very deserving. Our next awardee, Romana Water, for the most preferred hydration partner for their wonderful CSR activities. A big round of applause for the lovely lady walking onto the stage representing Romana Water. Ladies and gentlemen, please, big round of applause. As you all know, Romana Water is one of the leading bottled water brands in United Arab Emirates, known for its commitment to quality, purity, and sustainability. Established in the year 1996, the company has built a strong reputation across. Thank you so much. Our next awardee, Mr. Vinay Chaudhary from Taurus Group, for the Best Emerging International Company Award. A big round of applause for him once again, ladies and gentlemen, please. Congratulations, Mr. Vinay Chaudhary. And thank you so much for making it to both days of GMFL as well. Very well deserved award. Our next award for Romain Gerardin Fresse and Ralph Clemens Martin from Oasis Park ORG, the founder and president. Round of applause to welcome them on the stage. Let's have the music loud while they walk onto the stage, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause for them, please. award they receive are Top Indo-Arab International Lawyer of the Year Award and Top Green Sustainable Initiative, the Sanctuary Oasis Park, respectively. Romain Jaradan Fresse is considered as one of the top 5 lawyers and strategists in the entire world. A big round of applause, please. And Mr. Ralph Clements Martin's great leadership has led to the extraordinary transformation of parched desert regions into lush woods, culminating on the development of Oasis Park. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And now, congratulations, sir. Now we have our next awardee, Mr. Shinu Das, the CEO and founder of Jasper Micron and Top On SEO. Let's hear a round of applause for him, please. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Shinu Das is also a friend of mine, actually. I'm so proud of him. Congratulations. He's receiving the award for Digital Marketing Excellence Award. A digital marketing entrepreneur with over 15 years of experience in digital marketing, consultancy and brand development, dedicated to building strategies that turns into ideas into impactful success stories. As the founder and CEO of Jasper Micron, Top On SEO and Codifies Digital, the vision is to create powerful digital ecosystems where businesses thrive. Congratulations. We move on to our next awardee, Ms. Ramya Pullan Devasi, the CEO and founder at Ferrero and We Build Interiors. There she comes, ladies and gentlemen. Please, let's hear a big round of applause for her. It's not that tough, is it? Can you all please applaud for her? I know everybody is wondering why the song played all of a sudden. The surprise that I've been talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, the promise I made yesterday, it's going to music, everybody is aware Mr. Prabhudeva is here. May I request everybody to kindly be seated and let him feel comfortable while he's being seated there. We have our superstars. We have so many other people who have accompanied him as well. I'm sure you all want to know what it is about. Everybody wants to see him on the stage, talk to him and everything. But for now, we're going to continue with our next set of awards. We have our next award for Mr. Arun K. Murali. Can we have Mr. Arun K. Murali on the stage, ladies and gentlemen? Please, a big round of applause for him. He's from Trade Max Academy, receiving the award for Best Trading Mentor. Big round of applause, come on. He hails from Alappuzha, Kerala, and exemplifies the power of hard work and determination. Congratulations to him, a very well-deserved award. Our next awardee, Mr. Shantanu Shrestha. Can we have Mr. Shantanu Shrestha on the stage from Crescent Capital Investment, Business Excellence Award in Investment. Do we have Mr. Shantanu Shrestha here? Or a representative, or we move on? Yes, there he comes. Can you all please applaud for him? Everybody, come on, I want to hear a round of applause. Congratulations. And now we move on to our next awardee, Ms. Sudhanya Satishan from Silver Arrow Packaging Services, the CEO and founder, receiving the award for Safe Hands Excellence Award. Round of applause for her, ladies and gentlemen, please. Can we hear a round of applause for her, ladies and gentlemen, please? Come on. They've worked so hard to receive this award. She is dedicated businesswoman, successfully managing her own company, and also a passionate dance teacher who actively participates in networking and leadership opportunities while nurturing creative side through painting. Congratulations. Our next awardee, we have Chesla Majid, the Stitchery Clothes and Tailoring. Can we have Chesla Majid on the stage, please? The founder and CEO of the Stitchery Clothes and Tailoring. There she comes, ladies and gentlemen. Please make her feel special. Come on, everybody is a star in their own respect, please. She is receiving the award for Emerging Entrepreneur in Fashion. Congratulations for Indo-Arab Excellence Award 2025. Congratulations. Moving on to our next awardee, Mr. Altaf Mathur, who is a brand strategist and filmmaker and an entrepreneur, receiving the award for Best Brand and Growth Strategist. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for him. Big round of applause. This man is so stylish himself. I can imagine why he would be a filmmaker and an entrepreneur. Congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. Altaf. And personally from me too, because you're my friend as well. All right. Moving on, we have our next awardee. I'd like to call him once again on the stage as he didn't come before. Mr. Deepak Ravi. He was not present at the moment, but right now I think he's here. Mr. Deepak Ravi, I request you to kindly come on the stage to receive the award. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Kannan Group of Companies is one of our main sponsors and partners. Mr. Deepak Ravi being his son. He is the CEO of Kannan Ravi Group of Companies and he is receiving the award for Youngest Businessman Award. Congratulations, Mr. Deepak. Thank you so much for witnessing day one of GMFL as well and being present here for the awards and GMFL day 2. Congratulations. Next, I request Mr. Vignesh Vijay Kumar Menon to please come on the stage to receive the award. Do we have Mr. Vignesh here? There he comes, Mr. Vignesh. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The CEO and founder at Wealthai Group of Companies, receiving the award for Alliance of Excellence Awards. Congratulations, Mr. Vignesh. Next, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Ramakrishnan Mathiyalagan, the CEO and founder of Aryas. I think he is here right now to receive the award of Flavor of the Year. Do we have him here or a representative? Probably not. So we're going to move on to the next one. The next award for Harjot Oberoi. Harjot Oberoi from Khalij Times. There she comes, the lovely lady in white. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Harjot Oberoi, please. Harjot Oberoi Bohra receiving the award for Best Media Personality Award. Congratulations. Congratulations, Harjot. Thank you so much to all of the dignitaries. And now we're going to proceed with the next part. Thank you so much. I request you all to kindly be seated. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ramdas Athavale is with us here yesterday also, and he's here today also. And, you know, it's really commendable that he's here throughout. He's been standing इतने देर से आप खड़े हैं, पाँव में शायद आपको तकलीफ भी है, फिर भी खड़े हैं, सबको award दिया है, and he would like to speak a few words before he leaves. So I'm just going to hand over the mic.
This very wonderful night. Very good night, everybody. This is very good night, everybody. बात मत करो बड़ी बड़ी. तनवीर की टीम है आपके लिए खड़ी. तनवीर की टीम है आपके लिए खड़ी. फिर क्यों करते हो बात बड़ी बड़ी? So today I am also very happy to give the Indo-Arab International Award to everybody. Many dignitaries are also present here. Honorable Sheikh Sultan Al Kazmi, the advisor of Sharjah ruler, he is also present here. Many important dignitaries are also present here. And I came from India to give the award in Dubai. And this is also a very nice show, fashion show, yesterday and today also. How the fashion is India, you have seen here in Dubai. India is also a very fashion country. India is also a very strong country. And I am also happy to give the message from Narendra Modi ji to Arab country, to UAE. And therefore, I'm not going to take your more time because some awards are pending now. And many very important personalities has given the award here in the dais. And Indo-Arab award function is organized today. Yesterday the fashion show was here. Today also half-time fashion show was here today. And madam, what's your name? Lakshmi. Her name is Lakshmi. From yesterday he is very active here. And you have shown your fashion show here. And therefore, as a social justice and empowerment state minister from India, government of India, I welcome and congratulate all the awardees here. सभी को मैं हार्दिक हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ. आप सभी को बहुत ही अच्छा अवार्ड मिला है और आपने जिंदगी में दूसरों के लिए काम किया है. जो खुद के लिए काम करता है उनको घर के लोग भी अवार्ड नहीं देते हैं. जो समाज के लिए काम करता है, दूसरों के लिए काम करता है, दूसरों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट देने का काम करता है, बिजनेस करता है, सोशल वर्क करता है, एनजीओ चलाता है, ऐसे लोगों को अवार्ड मिलता है. और ऐसे नाम यहाँ चुन चुन कर उनको अवार्ड दिया है. तो सभी अवार्डी को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ. और आज का दिन मुझे जरूर रहेगा याद. आज का दिन मुझे जरूर रहेगा याद. जिनको अवार्ड मिला है उनको मैं देता हूँ धन्यवाद. नमस्कार, प्रणाम. जय भीम, जय भारत, जय UAE. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir. Sir के लिए जरा जोरदार तालियां. Big round of applause, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we move on. We have finished the Indo-Arab Excellence Award.